Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in to Wolfington Body Company's YouTube channel. I'm Ethan Jandreau, local Wolfington Sales Representative, and this is a beautiful new IC CE 29 passenger school bus. As we all know, Type A school buses are a bit difficult to come by in the current market. We here at Wolfington have come up with a solution to this problem using our IC product line. This 29 passenger is a great substitution for a traditional Type A cutaway bus, with all the benefits, safety, and build quality of a larger conventional school bus. This particular bus is powered by a dependable Cummins B67 diesel engine and is equipped with air brakes and air rear suspension. We've also equipped this bus with our WBC spec package, featuring a chrome grille, heated remote mirrors with stainless brackets, tinted windows, LED lights, one-piece floor, and an air driver's seat. This 29 passenger uses all the same parts as your full-size CE, making maintenance and parts availability as convenient as possible. Please reach out to your local Wolfington sales representative to get more information or schedule a test drive in this wonderful new ICCE 29 passenger. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to Wolfington's channel so you don't miss any exciting future content. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.